Hello, this is Nee Amuda and you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you two apps that you can use to do 3D cartoons with your smartphone. The first we're going to be using is called Photolab. Photolab, you get the link, you can see the link in the description of this video. Photolab is used for 3D and for cartoons. Okay, so you'll be given a lot of options to download the pro, but just ignore it by using the free version. So you see a lot of templates just like this you are seeing here, a lot of them, a lot of templates, and you can really work with them. So you just pick anyone you want to work with and you do your stuff with it, and it's very beautiful. Like this guy here, that the church is changing, you can just click on it and insert your picture just the way it is, and then it will automatically remove your background and do your stuff for you. So I just want to pick on one particular one, and then we'll just test it and see how it goes. So let's get started. Let me pick this one. So you can see that this particular one is just about the head of the person, so you have to stick to it. Now let's go and get a picture. Let's get a picture that we're going to be using. Alright, so let me get a picture that we'll be using. Alright, let me get a picture. Okay, so we just want to be okay. Alright, so I want to use this picture right here. Don't want to use somebody else's picture. Alright, so once you get a picture, make sure that you crop out the head, because the example is just the head. So make sure that it's just the head of the person. Others, it can be the body, others can be to the chest level, but this one is just the head. So make sure that you are working with just the head. Click on the green icon.
25-year history. You first.
Ignore the icon.
First Bank.
Okay, so let's cancel okay, it's processing the cartoon now, and then in a few seconds it's going to be done, almost done. You can see. Alright, so that's it. That's just how it works. Okay, this is the cartoon, this is the effect. But these guys here, if you want to save it, it's going to save, like, let me show you. If I want to save it now, they're going to add their watermark. You can see they added their watermark. So what I do sometimes, so that I don't have that watermark, is this. I go back here when there's no watermark, and then I screenshot. Alright, I screenshot like this, then I crop it out, and then I go to InShot or any editing app, and then I can shot. Go to InShot or any. Nice, the screenshot is saved. So I'm going to get it without watermark with the screenshot. So that is it. It is one way to do your 3D or your cartoon portraits. You can see there are other examples here. So many of them. You can see them. There are so many. If you can use it for your birthday design, and so wonderful that you have the Jeep form where your shirts will change and all that. So this is one of the apps that I used to do cartoon. Okay, you can use it. Pick any template. Look at this guy. You can pick any template and work with it, and you will be amazed what you can do with it. At the time I monetized this, and I made some cool cash from selling it as a skill, because there are so many people that don't know how to do it, and they would love to know. And if you're able to do it in a very professional way, make sure that the you make sure that the watermark is not showing. Make sure that the watermark is not showing. You can monetize it, because the moment people get to see the watermark, they know where you got the app from, and they can go and download it and use it for themselves. But if you do it in a professional way, crop out the watermark, you can begin to monetize it, and you are good to go. Okay, so that is after this one. You can see now there are options here. You can pick any option. I'd like to use this one. Yeah, so when you are done with this is going to be a jeep, so it's going to have a little motion to your picture and makes it like look like real. When we're done with this one, I'm going to show you another app you can use to do 3D designs, and you really love it. So let's just be done with this. All right, you can see. Can you see? All right, so this is it. It's lovely, right? Yeah, you can save it. But these guys, once you save it, of course it's going to go with the watermark, but then there's a way to crop it out. But this is just it. It's very nice. Okay, so let's go to the next app that you can use to do your 3D designs. The name is called Viola. Voila. So the link is in the description of this video. You'll see the button there. You see it's used to do 3D cartoon. It's used to do K-pop tunes, Renaissance. It's used to do 2D cartoons also, and you'll see the caricature. So let's start with the 3D cartoon and see how it's done. So when they tell you to go for the what's it called? When they tell you to go for the pro version, that depends on you. If you have the money, you can go and get it. So I'll quickly get a picture. I hope I get one here. Okay, so this same feature is what I'm going to be using. So you allow it to process your image with standard speed. So meanwhile, it uses data, so you allow it to process your image. It's going to automatically remove the background of your image and get it set for the 3D cartoon. Wow, this is ready. All this ad. Okay, so let's wait for it to expire. Okay, it's done. So we can continue now. You see it's going to give you options like when you're a baby, when you are a youth and all that. So you can choose. Actually, you can choose. You can see my picture is not so nice. Maybe yours will be very, very nice. So you can even change the background here to what you want. Okay, you can change to what you want and you're good to go. So this is one of the ways that you can do your 3D design. You can see my picture. Because of the nature of my picture, that is why it's like this. But then you can do yours. Yours can be better than mine. You guys are like, this background suits my picture. So this is it. So you can save it. When you are done, you click on the upload button up there. Click on the upload button and just ignore this blah blah blah, and then you can save. You can see it. You can save it. You can save right here. You can save right here, or you share to your WhatsApp or to Facebook or to Instagram or to your mail, any way you want it, but just save it and then you can do what you want to do. Because you can see that there is a watermark. These guys will disturb you. There's a watermark, but there's a way you can also crop out the watermark. Like I said, right here where your design does not have any watermark, you can screenshot it and you're good to go. Okay, so that is one way we'll do the 3D. So let's go over to the next one over there. The next one, 2D. Let's just try. Let's try the 3D, the 2D cartoon, and see how it is. I'm going to use. Okay, let me get that same picture. I don't want to use somebody else's picture. Okay, so let's get this same picture, and then you allow it to process again, and once it's done, your image will be ready. This is a very good way to do your 3D standard cartoon, and you are good to go. If you are a person that loves cartoon, you can use this one and you're good to go. So this is it. Oh my god, had that again. So let's wait for the art to process and then we cancel it and then we're good to go. So this is it. This is a 2D. Okay, so that's it. So you can explore the app actually, and you really love it. If you upload a very good picture, it will give you a very good option. Okay, it will give you a very good option. Then this is for the caricature. You can click on it and let's see let's see what will happen here. Okay, so make sure you use a good picture, because the picture I'm using is not so nice, but then use a very high quality picture where and you will get a good result. So this for the caricature, and you can see this guy.
I don't have a time on my phone. I don't even have money. I'm thirsty.
So I can skip the ad now and continue. So this is for the caricature and all that. So that is that. So I hope you learned something how to do cartoons with your smartphone. So you can check the description in the video to get the link to this app. The first app is Photolab. The second is Photolab. Nice. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.